What is up guys, it is Aaron from Rudy Visuals, and in today's video we're going to share with you one tip that is going to massively improve your portrait photography. So if you're the kind of person who loves to shoot portraits and loves taking pictures of people, this is going to be right up your street. But this also applies to all types of photography, and you can also use this technique in video as well. And it's a super simple one. It's basically creating depth of field in your pictures. Now of course the easiest way to do this is just to create separation from the subject and the background. So you can use this by using a wide aperture to let in as much light as possible, and by moving the subject closer and further away from the background. However, you can also put things in the foreground by placing things in front of your lens. So whenever we shoot portraits, we always try to look for things that we can shoot through, and we find things that we can put in front of our camera. Now typically this works great in nature. So in parks, if you have like trees, hanging branches, flower bushes are awesome for this, leaves, willow trees, anything like that is going to look super awesome. You can also pick things up off the ground and put those in front of your lens too. So here are two things in particular that I always like to use, a leaf and some flowers. So just to show you an example of this, if I stick this in front of my lens, you'll see you can actually use this to frame your image and give it a nice extra layer too. And if I take one of these flower petals too, again you'll see how awesome that can look. Now of course this is going to look a lot better if you use a lens that isn't as wide as this Sigma lens. It's going to look much better with a longer focal length. So pretty much anything from 50mm and up is going to look awesome. Now to put this into practice and to show you guys exactly what we mean, we put together a little behind the scenes video of a recent photo shoot we did where we pretty much applied this technique for you guys to see. Also do keep a lookout in the following video how we applied this technique during actual video filming as well. A huge thank you to our model Amanda for helping us out with this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. I think you'll agree that this technique is super simple, but actually can create some really stunning results. Personally, I preferred using it in sort of natural environments like parks and places like that, but there's absolutely no reason why you couldn't use it in like an urban setting too. You could shoot through railings, shoot through windows, shoot through glass. As long as whatever you're using to shoot through has some kind of connection to the background as well, it generally looks pretty awesome, I think. I saw this awesome shot on Instagram of a photographer using this through pigeons. So yeah, that just looks super awesome. But yeah, that is our top tip for improving the look of your photos and your videos. Something very simple that you can do that's going to drastically improve the look of your visuals. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram if you haven't done so already, right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, hit that subscribe button, and I guess we'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.